Let's take a look at the second way to prepare some fresh fish tonight with the Mahi Mahi or dolphin. It is delicious, and these fillets tend to be the thinner fillet. It is not quite as thick. So I prepared these with some EVOO. They were brushed on. I laid them in a already greased pan. This is an 8x8. And now we have the addition of a little bit of garlic slices, capers, and carrots. Yes, carrots. Those are very tasty. They melt down and really give a great flavor to your fish. And so a little bit of lime. Take care of this with finishing touches of fresh spinach. True. Just go ahead and lay your spinach on top. Layer it around, because it's going to wilt down also, and it looks very pretty, and it's also nutritious. Very good. Okay, well, we're going to prepare this in the oven. We'll bake it at 325 for approximately 40 minutes, 35 minutes. And thank you very much. Bon appetit with Bird Dog 1227. Enjoy.